Hello everyone, and welcome to Fulton County Library Systems, how to use lynda.com. You'll start out on our website, which is fulcolibrary.org. To find Lynda, you can always look under our digital library tag here. Once you are on the digital library tag, you will see all of our new databases listed at the top. Once Lynda is no longer new, it will be under adult learning. All you will need to do now is click lynda.com. Once you're on the Lynda site, it's going to ask you for your library card and PIN number. And we will enter my library card and PIN number. Let's try that again. I always get my PIN number wrong the first time. Once you have logged in with your library card and PIN number, Lynda will ask you to create an account with your name and email. So we're going to go ahead and hit save for my account, and you will be taken to the main page for lynda.com. You'll notice a little person up at the top with your name, which will have your profile, your playlist, the history of classes you've taken, as well as recommended classes. The main page is going to have like popular classes listed for you to browse through, as well as your playlist. You see I've not taken a class yet, as well as classes that you were in the middle of and had to step away from. You also have the option of browsing through the library by main subject and then a specialization within. So we're going to go to education and e-learning, and we're going to go to Excel because I need to know more about it. Once you click on a topic, it will bring up all the different classes that you can take. So here's the newest classes, different learning paths, and weekly series. You will also see specific subjects. So if you wanted to learn Excel for a specific business or a specific aspect of Excel, like creating a pivot table, you would click on that. We're going to go with learning Excel Office, or Excel Online for Office 365. Here you will see the breakdown of the class, so you get kind of like a syllabus. You're going to get a description of the class, as well as the author, kind of the skill level required, and the time frame, as well as suggested continuing things to take. You'll see transcripts of the video above. You can download the course, as well as different exercise files that you will need to complete. For contents, you notice at the top you have a layout button, so it will take all of that away and basically put the video of the class as the main focus. You can also add it to a playlist. So we will add it to my playlist, and you have the option of the video only or the course. So the video only would remove the coursework, but you would still get to watch the content. You can also share the video. So we're going to do the whole course at some point. And once you have added things to your playlist and profile, you'll see there is my profile and my interest, so I can select interest so Lynda knows better what to suggest to me. But you can also see under playlist, my Excel class is now listed there. And if we go back to our kind of landing page, you see I now have something in my playlist. I really enjoy Lynda because the content is varied. You can do everything from arts and design and music to something as technical as learning to code or Lynda. You also have the option of offline content, so you can download the videos or download the audio and listen to it like a podcast. I hope you enjoy lynda.com. Thank you.